Hello guys, welcome to the channel Science Learning Gateway. I hope you people are doing good. And you all are now new are you all have got your new classes, right? Means you all are in a new session now, right? The students who were in 7th standard, they went to 8th standard student went to ninth, and the ninth one they reached to class 10th, correct? So now we have now it's a great time for us that we should start learning some of the basic concepts of chemistry. If you want to score good marks in chemistry, then you should learn about the basic concepts of chemistry. So for that, I am starting a series in which one by one we will go through the basic concepts of chemistry. Like in the first tutorial, we will learn about the first 20 elements, its atomic number and its symbol, and how what is the trick to learn the first 20 elements, because for many of us it's very difficult to learn the elements and the atomic number. But I will give you a simple and easy trick by which you can learn those elements in a very easy way, and you'll never forgot that, right? So now let's start with the basics for class 8th, ninth, and 10th chemistry, and this is the part 1 of that series. In the next video I will tell you that how to write the electronic configuration, find the valencies, etc. After that we will learn how to find the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons. After that we will learn about how to write the mass number also. So these things we'll learn in this basics of chemistry. So let's start with the first 20 elements of the periodic table. The first of all, now see, there are some rules of writing the symbols of the element. The first rule which was taken is that at the first letter of the element, suppose hydrogen is there, the first letter is H, so that is taken as a symbol. In the second rule, what they have mentioned that many of the elements will start with the same alphabet. For example, hydrogen and helium, they are starting with the same alphabet HH. So we cannot take the symbol of helium as H. So for that, two alphabets are taken, that is helium, He, right? And the third rule is from the Latin names. Many of the all the elements have given their Latin names. So from the Latin names also symbols are taken. So let's start with hydrogen. Hydrogen, the symbol of hydrogen is H and its atomic number is 1. The second one is helium and its symbol is He, atomic number 2. For lithium, the symbol is taken as Li, its atomic number is 3. For beryllium, again the symbol is taken as Be and its symbol is its atomic number is 4. For boron, atomic number 5, the symbol is taken as B. For carbon, atomic number is 6 and the symbol is C. For nitrogen, atomic number 7 and the symbol is N. For oxygen, atomic number is atomic number is 8 and the symbol is taken as O. For fluorine, the atomic number is 9 and the symbol is taken as F. Neon, which is one of the noble gas, its symbol is Ne and its atomic number is 10. For sodium, alkali metal, it is taken as Na and the atomic number is 11. Magnesium, symbol is Mg and atomic number is 12. For aluminium, the symbol is Al and the atomic number is 13. For silicon, atomic number is 14 and the symbol is taken as Si. See, for sodium we have not written So or S for its symbol. Why? Because the symbol of the sodium is based on the Latin name. The Latin name of sodium is natrium. Natrium, natrium. So from that natrium, Na is taken as its symbol, right? So these are the symbols as well as the atomic number from hydrogen to silicon. Now next from atomic number 15 we will see the next slide. See, so now we have phosphorus and its symbol is very easy. What is the symbol of phosphorus? It's P. Atomic number is 15. The symbol of sulfur is also very easy. It is taken as the first letter, that is S, and the symbol and the atomic number is 16. For chlorine, it's Cl, and chlorine is a halogen gas, right? And its symbol is Cl and atomic number is 70. For argon, noble gas, symbol is Ar and the atomic number is 18. Potassium, for potassium the symbol is K and its atomic number is 19, and for calcium the symbol is Ca and its atomic number is 20. So till now we have seen the symbols from hydrogen to calcium, but how we will remember the symbols, how we will remember the names in a correct way or in a sequence from hydrogen to calcium? That is one of the question. But don't worry, for that I have a solution for you all, and I will tell you a very easy trick by which we can easily learn the elements from hydrogen to calcium in a sequence way, in a sequence, and also we'll learn the symbols also. So now let's learn that trick by which we can learn the elements in a proper way. For that we should know one mnemonic. What is mnemonic? It's like a poem which we used to learn in our junior classes. In the same way, I will tell a poem or a story to you all. And by that, you can learn the elements from hydrogen to calcium in a very easy way. So now, see, there are two friends. And the name of the two friends are Betty and Charlie. Okay, so both of them were meeting for the meeting, and they are the neighborhood friends. Okay, they are living nearby each other, so they are telling hi hello to each other. Then little Betty, what is there? Little Betty became Charlie's number one friend and neighbor. So both of them became their friends as well as the neighbor. So that you have to remember that there are two friends, Betty and Charlie. They said hi hello to each other and they became number one friend and neighbor. So what is the mnemonic which we have to remember for hydrogen till helium? For hydrogen till neon, we have to remember hi hello. Little Betty became Charlie's number one friend and neighbor. So this is the first mnemonic which you have to remember for hydrogen to neon. See, from hi we will take H for hydrogen. From hello we will take He for helium. From little we will take Li for lithium. From Betty we will take Be for beryllium. From became we will take Be for from became we will take only B as for boron, and for Charlie's we will take as carbon. From number N we will take for nitrogen. From 1 we will take for oxygen. From friend F we will take for fluorine, and from neighbor we will take from neon. So that is the simple mnemonic for which you can learn the element from hydrogen to neon easily. Hi hello little Betty became Charlie's number one friend and neighbor, right? Now let's learn the mnemonic from element sodium to calcium. For that you have to remember Maggie. You all know Maggie, right? And I think you all also know how to cook Maggie or how to prepare Maggie. It's a 2 minutes noodle, so you can easily make it in the kitchen. So you have to relate Maggie and kitchen with each other. Okay? Now for that we will remember this mnemonic. Naughty Maggie always sing popular songs clapping around kitchen cabinet. तो एक छोटा सा naughty Maggie है जो क्या करता है ना, पूरे kitchen cabinet में एक popular songs sing करता है अपने hands को clap करके. So that thing you have to remember, that naughty Maggie, what he used to do, he used to sing popular songs by clapping around kitchen's cabinet. ठीक है, तो ये आपको याद रखना है. एक naughty Maggie है, एक नॉटी मैगी नाम का एक कोई छोटा सा किड है, ठीक है. वो क्या करता है, वो पूरे किचन कैबिनेट में सॉन्ग्स को सिंग करता है अपने हैंड्स को क्लैप करके. सो डू रिमेंबर दिस mnemonic. नॉटी मैगी ऑलवेज सिंग पॉपुलर सॉन्ग्स क्लैपिंग अराउंड किचन्स कैबिनेट. सो फ्रॉम नॉटी वी विल टेक द वर्ड Na for sodium. From Maggie we will take Mg. For magnesium, from always we will take Al. For aluminium, from Sing Si we will take for silicon. From popular we will take P for phosphorus. From song we will take S for sulfur. From clapping we will take the word Cl for chlorine. From around we will take argon, and from kitchens we will take potassium, and from cabinet we will take calcium. So this is the mnemonic for sodium to calcium. So once again we will repeat it. From hi hello. From high you will remember hydrogen, hello for helium, little for lithium, Betty for beryllium, became for boron, Charlie for carbon, N number for nitrogen, 1 for oxygen, fluorine for friend, and neighbor for neon. Now sodium from naughty, magnesium from Maggie, aluminium from always, zinc from silicon, phosphorus from popular, sulfur from song, chlorine from clapping, argon from around, potassium from kitchen, and calcium from cabinet. So this is a very simple way by which you can easily learn the elements from hydrogen to calcium. And if you learn the elements in a sequence way, it's very easy to write the atomic number. Just 1 to 20 you have to put in a sequence way. Now let's write it once so that you will remember. So first of all, we have hydrogen, atomic number 1, helium, atomic number 2, lithium, atomic number 3, beryllium, atomic number 4, boron, atomic number 5, carbon, atomic number 6, nitrogen, atomic number 7, oxygen nitrogen atomic number 7, oxygen atomic number 8, fluorine atomic number 9, neon noble gas atomic number 10, sodium atomic number 11, magnesium atomic number 12, aluminium atomic number 13. Then we have silicon atomic number 14, phosphorus atomic number 15, sulfur atomic number 16, chlorine atomic number 17, argon atomic number 18, potassium atomic number 19, and for calcium the atomic number is 20. So see, it's so easy to learn the elements along with the symbols and the atomic number. So I hope you all have learned and you have enjoyed the session, right? So do comment in the comment box if you found it interesting, if you have learned the symbols of the elements and also the name of the elements in a sequence way. Okay, so I hope it's easy to understand for you all. So in the next tutorial we will learn how to write the electronic configuration. And see guys, for writing the electronic configuration we should know the atomic number. So I request you all to please learn the atomic number from hydrogen to calcium, so that in the next class we will can write the electronic configuration of the element from hydrogen to calcium. And also I will give an overview for the structure of the atom, that inside the nucleus what are the subatomic particles are present, like protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus, and the electrons revolve around it. Those things I will tell you in the next class. So thank you for watching my channel. If you find it interesting, then do like it, comment your comment, post your question in the comment box. I will happy to give the answer for that. And if you find it interesting, do share it with your friends also. And if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe to it, and do connect with me for the next tutorial from the basics of chemistry. So thank you for watching.